Today in Fillmore, I'm going to show you how to use a little bit of the stock media that's available. They have such a wide variety. So we're going to be right up there doing this. You see regular media is in green, and that's the one that's currently selected. We're going to go over here to stock media. So let me go back. I got my glasses on so I can see the screen properly. We're going to go to stock media, and it's already coming up under library. Stock media. You've got a library of things that's available, stuff that's already made. And if you take a look down through this list, right down there, I wonder if I can go over and show you just a little closer. There we go. So library. And we've got trending, motion backgrounds, liquid backgrounds. It just goes on and on and on. The only thing I don't like is that it's not in alphabetical order. Oh, well. And I know it just goes down. It's still got 6 or 7, but it's got so many categories. And the one that it's sitting on right now is subscribe. Let me zoom back out. And we're going to go back up to, let's just go to mine because I saved a few. I think that's where my favorites are. We're going to start by taking just it's called an aerial top-down view. It's a river and some people are rafting down the river. We're going to take that. We're going to drag it down under video 1. We're going to keep the same formatting. And there it is. There's no sound with this. We're not going to deal with sound, but there it is. It's going to start going through. And it's just a nice little overhead view of some people rafting, which is kind of cool. I'm going to slip that over to the edge. I'm going to take that back to the start. But I want to add a subscribe button somewhere in the middle. Just a little thing that pops up and says, hey, subscribe. And this is a hint for you guys. Hey, subscribe. So I'm going to go back over. I'm still under stock media, and I'm going to go back down to library. And then scan, whoop, not there, but I'm going to get over here, clicked on black. I'm going to go all the way down to green screen. No, I don't want green screen. I want subscribe. So it has all these different ones for subscribing. Now I can go hover over one and you can see where it kind of shows you what it's like. Hover over one and it may or may not show you what it's like. That one just kind of is there. This is the one I'm going to use. And it's 6 or 7 seconds long. What I'm going to do is I'm going to drag it, click, hold, drag it, and drop it somewhere in the middle. Keep the same project formatting. So now it looks like this. Raft going down, and boom, immediately to green screen. This is what we don't want. This is a serious interrupt. What we don't want is this. So I'm going to click on the actual screen itself, and there's going to be handles to make it smaller. I want to grab it so that it's got the not all 4 arrows, but I'm going to grab just where it shows the 2 arrows. I'm sort of dragging it down to make it smaller. Now it's still green screen. I'm going to place it where I want it, which is right in the middle. See how that blue line goes up and kind of connects, which means it's right in the middle. And I'm going to kind of choose that size right now. But with this clicked and selected, I'm going to go up here to AI mask. It's under video. And it's under, see, there's basic video, there's mask, but I'm going to go to AI mask. And then there's chroma key. Chroma key is going to take that selected color, which is the green, and make it disappear. Now we can see behind it. Now we've got something we can work with. I'm going to click away from that so we don't have that around it. And I will start it all over again. This whole video here is like 19 seconds long. So we're going to watch people going down the lazy river. It looks kind of lazy. It's kind of fun. But all of a sudden, this just kind of pops up. Hey, click, subscribe, and get your notifications. And then it disappears. It's that quick. If you want it a little longer, you can make it a little longer, but it doesn't have to be. But you can drop this in the middle of any video that you're making, and it's very subtle. There's no sound involved, and it just kind of pops up. Hey, subscribe. Don't forget to like, subscribe this, and so on. That's as easy as it can be. You don't have to create something. You don't have to create the motion. You just drop it in. But you do have to remember to take the green out of it with that chroma key, which is up here under Video AI Tools. One of the AI tools that you have the opportunity to use. And that's it. That's just a quick thing for dropping a subscribe onto any video that you've got. And that's all there is to that.